G'day, it's Richard from Offroad Touring Life, and I'm here again with another campsite preview. Tonight it's April the 1st, it's a Monday night, so there's only one other camp just down from me. Now again, I'm back on the Murray River. I'm about 7 to 10 k's out of Echuca. Again, found this one on Wiki Camps. There's no amenities here, but on weekends this spot would be very busy. You can So the spot that I'm in actually is right on the edge of the road. That's probably one downfall of these spots through here, that if there is a lot of traffic around, dust will no doubt head across your campsite. But being the Monday night, I wasn't too concerned about that. Just no one around, not much to dust. All I've seen is just a guy just riding past on his mountain bike, and like I mentioned, just someone camped down there, but they're all set up for the night. So I'm just about to get some dinner on the go for myself and settle in for the night. But before I do that, I'll take you over, give you a quick look at the river. Now, when camping on the Murray River, just keep in mind if you are towing a caravan in, a few spots like this would be a bit tight to get a caravan in, particularly if you've got a full-sided, full-bodied caravan. There might be some tight spots where you might need to turn it around if you can't get through. Something I did forget to mention is where I got access to this road from. So I just come in off Offroad Road, I think it was called. So if you head out towards Torrumbarry, you just turn right. If you're coming down from Torrumbarry on the highway, it's on the left-hand side coming in. Also keep in mind that there is a residence private property just before you come into the park here, or the forest. Just slow down, keep the dust down on your way through, and that means these places will stay open for all of us to use. Okay, so the sun's just setting over behind the camera there, so I'm just going to wrap up this campsite highlight video. Got the spotlight on the Murray River, the last couple of videos, but if you have a campsite that you would like me to visit or suggest that I'd like, maybe I would like to go and see, please comment down below. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It means a lot when you do that. So I'm about to sit down, have my dinner now. I won't do any filming probably tomorrow morning. I'm looking at heading out before first light and make my way back home. So again, thanks heaps for following along. And if you do see us out and about, be sure to give us a wave or come and say g'day. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers. Good morning, it's just after 7 o'clock, so I'm just on the way back from the campsite of the Murray, 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. Just stopped here at Rochester on the way through to check out these art silos. They're just opposite the BPs. You're heading back towards Melbourne, so if you are coming past, definitely check these out. Just thought I'd add these in as a bit of an extra at the end of the video of the campsite. Had a beautiful still night last night, packed up this morning, it was pitch black. A few possums around, a few roos bounding around camp, but couldn't pass these up without showing it all. Cheers.